Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find the New Layers tab in Canva. This feature helps us easily manage and organize elements in our design, especially when working with multiple objects. Let's get started. To open the Layers panel, all we need to do is press the Alt key and the number 1 on the keyboard. Just press Alt and 1. The Layers panel will then appear right here. We can select objects and layers directly from this panel. We can also open the Layers panel by overlapping elements. Here, we have placed one element on top of another. Let's use this circle as an example. We will drag it onto the rectangle. Now, if we right-click on it, we will see the Layers option appear, including a shortcut to show the Layers panel. Keep in mind, this only works when 2 or more elements overlap. With just one item on its own, there are no layers shown, no layers at all. We need to overlap at least 2 elements before the Layers option becomes available. And that's how we find and use the Layers tab in Canva. With this tool, we can quickly arrange, select, and manage our elements with ease.